If you're using the AquaTru Classic or Carafe, you're probably counting on it to remove PFAS, lead, and other heavy metals from your water, and these filters are designed to deliver that. But lately, users are reporting issues like units that won't turn on or units stopping filtration mid-cycle. So in this video, we're going to break down the most common AquaTru countertop problems and show you exactly how to fix them. We'll also share easy maintenance tips to help you avoid issues in the first place. Let's get started. Complaint number 1. AquaTru not turning on. Ensure the unit is plugged into a working outlet, preferably GFCI equipped, and that the power switch on the back is turned on. If it's still not powering on, check 2 things that often get overlooked. 1. Make sure the filter cover is fully installed. There's a magnet inside the cover that has to align properly for the unit to power on. If it's loose or missing, AquaTru won't start. 2. Check that both the clean and tap water tanks are fully seated. Press down gently to make sure they're locked in place. Now, if your AquaTru stopped working right after you changed the filters or washed the tanks, reinstall the filters carefully, making sure each one clicks into place. Then reattach the filter cover and reseat the tanks. Give the unit a moment, then power it back on. In most cases, that should fix it. Complaint number 2. AquaTru starts, then stops. If your AquaTru starts filtering, then suddenly stops, or sounds like it's working, but nothing's happening, there's a good chance it's struggling with slow filtration or mineral buildup. This is a common sign of scale buildup, especially if you have hard water. AquaTru isn't built to handle water with more than 10 grains per gallon of hardness. If your water is too hard, minerals like calcium and magnesium can clog the internal components. Use a test strip to check your water hardness. If it's over 10 GPG, you'll need to install a water softener before using AquaTru. If you're already dealing with scale buildup, you'll need to purchase the descaling kit to clean the system properly. Here are the steps to follow. Remove the filter cover, wait 60 seconds, then take out the filters. Install the descaling plugs matching the red arrows. Heat purified water to about 100 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Fill the tap tank just below the handle. Add 2 descaling powder packets and stir. Run the unit for 5 minutes, then let it soak for 15. Pour clean tank water back into the tap tank. Run again, then discard both. Run 2 more tanks of cold tap water to rinse. Reinstall your original filters and clean both tanks with soap and water. If there's no scaling problem, try gently cleaning the metal contact points measuring the water levels. Debris or moisture between them can also interrupt the cycle. Talking about cleaning and maintenance, here are some simple tips you should follow. Wash both the tap and clean water tanks once a week to prevent algae. Keep the unit away from heat and direct sunlight. If you do spot algae, soak the tanks in a mild bleach solution for 1 hour, then wash them with soap and water. There should be no water in the clean water handle. If you find that, remove the tank and lid and let it dry overnight. Before first use, run a full tank of tap water through the unit and discard the filtered water. Always empty the tap tank before refilling. Use the unit regularly and clean it weekly to prevent bacteria or algae. If the filter is unused for 4+ days, switch off the unit and clean the tanks, then dry it properly. Always discard the wastewater after each full filtration cycle. Replace your filters regularly. Watch for the filter indicator light, and when it turns on, it's time for a change. After replacing the filter, press and hold the filter reset button for at least 3 seconds to reset the filter indicator light. Also note that if you are on well water or have high TDS, you may need to replace the RO filter more often than the indicator suggests. It's better to install a pre-sediment filter or water softener, depending on your water quality for longer life of your AquaTru countertop. And for another helpful video to solve your water problems, watch the video here.